Good evening, everyone. Joel here with you with the tropical update. I told you if any changes occurred with the system that it's just come off the coast of Africa, I would let you know. And things are changing, as you can see. Right now, it's getting a little bit better organized. Will it make it? It's yet to be known. Right now, it's still showers and thunderstorms, and it's associated with a tropical wave. It's located a few hundred miles south-southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. Now, it continues to show signs of organization right now. However, satellite diverted wind data from earlier in the morning indicated that circulation remains elongated. Now, it's looking like the environmental conditions do appear conducive enough to support additional development of this system. Now, a tropical depression could form during the next few days while it moves generally westward at around 15 miles per hour across the tropical Atlantic. But then it's looking like conditions are likely to become less conducive for development late this week. Hopefully before it gets over to the islands, you guys will definitely probably get some rain. We're just going to have to watch it. It could go on either side of the coin. We're going to check out some more factors that may hinder it, though. Before we go check out satellite data and some model data about what may be going on in the Atlantic right now with that system, let's go over to the Eastern Pacific and check out this data. Alright, over here we have disturbance number 1. It's just low pressure. It's going to likely form over the far western portion of the Eastern Pacific Basin in just a few days. Environmental conditions are expected to be generally conducive for some gradual development, and a tropical depression could form late this week while it moves slowly westward toward the Central Pacific. 2 days 0, 4 days 40% chance. Now we come over to disturbance number 2, which of course is another low pressure system. Is expected to form well offshore of the southwestern coast of Mexico by the middle of the week. Now it looks like it's going to. Gradual development is possible thereafter, and the system could become a tropical depression also late this week while it's moving generally west-northwestward. It's 0% in 2 days and 40% in 5 days. Right quickly, before I go any farther, I would like to say the chance of tornadoes in the areas I was showing you this morning has increased for this afternoon now up to 5%. It may get up even higher before the nighttime hours are over. It may not. I showed you where it looked like some of the possibility of severe weather would be anywhere in this area from North and South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. Please be aware. This is just a very quick look at the European model. We all know it takes more than one model. It takes many different things and calculations. This is just it's something that looks like may occur. Not saying it's going to, not saying it's not something for us to look at. But if you remember, I told you the system was going to be coming off the coast of Africa last week. And here it is, right here. But after this one, it is looking like, once again, it's looking like another one is going to be coming off. We're going to have to watch. This is this afternoon. Right now, we're going to slip it up to tomorrow, say around lunchtime. See where it's going to be and what it's going to look like. Still looking like just about in the same place. Trying to get up some vorticity. Hadn't made it yet, though. It's still elongated, as you can see. Look how widespread the cloud tops are in this, where the most precipitation lies. And it's not windy, not anything yet. It's still just a system. By tomorrow evening, say around midnight, looking like the very same thing is going on. Hadn't moved too very much. We'll hop up just a little bit more to see what it's going to look like in a couple of days. Now, if we look really good at this, we can see this is the system that was over here. This is the one that's come off the coast of Africa. A different one. A different one is going to show up. There's much dry air. We have a big high pressure up here. Whole lot of dry air up there coming down. looks like it's going to mix into this as of now. This is Tuesday around 5 a.m. We'll try to go up to around 9 p.m. Wednesday evening. As you can see, still is holding on. It's not a big wind maker at this point. It's just this tropical wave. And you can see that some of the rain showers have dissipated as it keeps moving. We'll move on up to around 7 p.m. Friday evening. Let's see what's going on. You can see over here, this one is trying to form now. This one is nothing but rain showers. That's what the European model is showing now. It doesn't mean this is what's going to happen, but this is just what it's looking like on this one particular model right now. I just wanted to give you a little insight to what it may look like. When we move all the way up to Monday the 17th, which is way out, you can't go by it. You can see a little bit of something trying here. It's no big deal. And we have some more circulation going on up here. As we look at the satellite data, you can see here it is right here. That's the biggest cloud top. You can see those others as it's elongated. As we put it on infrared, you can see it a little bit better. This is the latest satellite picture that's coming in right now. We're going to have to watch this, especially everybody over on the leeward and westward islands, maybe Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. You need to keep up with this. Hopefully it won't mature into anything. We're going to have to wait and see that. Now, you can see dry air up here right now. As we go back to just the visible, it's going to be mixing in with this dust, dry air, and sheer wind. That's why I think it's going to dissipate before it gets to you guys as of now. But this one, just barely getting off the coast today. It's really not all the way off. We're going to have to watch down. We're going to have a big spurt of some Saharan dry dust, but we have in the middle where it's very little. Will it reach it in time or not? Only time will tell, and we'll have to wait and see. So that's a check of your tropical update right now. If anything more serious looks like, I go in more depth detail, but this is what it's looking like now. I will keep my eyes on it for you. Have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. May each of you have a wonderful evening and a blessed evening. Thank you for everything you do for me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell and check off all to make sure you get all the weather videos when I put them out. I would greatly appreciate it. May each of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your evening and lives and days ahead. Thanks so much for watching.